Hi guys, welcome back to Ragans Cooking. So today we'll make Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. So here's the ingredients. We need chicken, chili, finely chopped lemongrass, capsicum, onion, garlic, patis, and coconut water. So first step, marinate muna natin yung chicken natin. Gagamit tayo ng patis, half of the lemongrass, and we need sugar. Sugar is important here because it helps our chicken to caramelize. Mix, 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 and your marinade is ready to go. Marinate the chicken for only a few minutes. Now we are ready to heat our pan. Add a little bit of oil. Drop your onion, garlic, lemongrass, and chili. Stir, stir, stir. Wait until your garlic and onion translucent. Make some space. And drop your chicken. Wait lang tayo ng ilang minutes para maluto yung chicken natin. Gusto natin dito yung medyo caramelized yung chicken natin. After a few minutes, ayan, na-dissolve na yung marinade solution natin. Tapos nag-brown na rin yung chicken. Time to drop our lemongrass and lalagyan na rin natin yung coconut water. Leave this one until it simmer and wait for the sauce to be thickened and it's glossy. Ooh, guys, check this out. Oh, luto na, KENI. Mga TANA, KANYAMAN. Forget to like and subscribe. Hit mo na rin ang bell button para mag-notify ka kung may new video ko.